so.
All right, dude.
Got our microphones on.
Is my flash on? Or is this thing just making it look funky?
No, it's making it look funky.
Okay. All right, bet.
I bet.
All right, bet. Look at this friggin' goofball with this mic right here.
How do you do that? How'd you get on my fiddler? How'd you do that?
Y'all, you guys want a freaking update, dude? Look at that, dude! Just imagine, dude, fireballs coming out of this freaking thing, dude. Oh my god, dude. Dude, are you even ready for this, dude?
It's me after I eat Taco Bell.
Right out of that thing.
Dude, I don't know if we have a screwdriver.
Memphis and 0.5 again?
I don't know if this thing's
Here, dude, hold on.
Hey. I don't know if this thing's gonna work, dude. Dude, what happened to the screwdriver we used to put it in there?
Ion, no.
This one's freaking beveled and fat.
Oh, right here.
Whoa, give me that one.
This one. Shut up, dude.
I don't think it was, dude.
It is that one.
Are you sure?
It definitely is. It like just barely worked.
Oh, now my hand smells like freaking fuel.
Look at this. The screwdriver, freaking freaky thing, dude. That ain't freaky.
That's not good fuel,
that ain't
bro.
freaky, dude.
Yeah, it got that bend in it.
Oh
on a Tuesday.
Jeesh.
Dude, this is not the screwdriver.
I don't know what screwdriver, dude.
We need to grind this puppy down, bro.
We ain't grinding that thing down. Ain't no way.
This nice husky.
All right, so
what the freaking heck?
Should I let him watch me do some wiring?
Yeah.
All right, dude. So like, we're making this thing right here. I already started it. That thing is rock hard. Oh boy. So I started making this already. This is for my CAN hub. Got these wires all twisted up nice, you know, because they say the frequencies and stuff, you know. Sounds like a load of BS to me, dude.
I found one.
Oh, he found the stubby Johnny.
It's gonna work.
So yeah, I got this going, and then I gotta make these go into individual smaller looms, which is this here. This is all Amazon special loom, but hey, gets the job done. That's what matters. So I'm gonna try to loom this stuff, I guess.
Climb, roll, and tumble at the Amazon. Yeah, she's coming right out.
Memphis is working on the mini bike.
Oh my gosh, dude!
He's working on the mini bike and talking to himself. Just turn the camera right. Dude, we should go live on YouTube.
Go live on the tubes?
Yeah.
It's a slight problem. I don't remember how this goes in. Is it going like that? Or
yeah.
Like this?
Ion, no, dude. Look it up.
I think I'm going to have to.
Just screw in my freaking pilot jet. Gonna put it in backwards.
I won't put it in backwards.
Put it in backwards. Yeah, so as you guys can see, like, I'm struggling here. It's in the morning.
I need to go look this up. I know, we still haven't gotten coffee.
Shoot, dude, I'm sorry.
I'm not me unless I have my morning coffee. Tisk, tisk.
Did you not have any this morning?
No.
Dude,
Jasmine didn't get a chance to make me it.
What's wrong with you?
You needed me.
I told you could have stayed and had your cinnamon rolls and stuff, dude.
My sweet Kyle Brown needed me.
Dude, don't tell him my last name.
What?
Don't tell them my government name, dude.
Oh, dude. Sorry, my sweet KB needed me.
Now they're going to know my government name, dude. They always assume that my name was Kale.
It is.
I know. Guys, my name's Kale. So it's actually it's Kale Berwin. So like basically I'm just putting this wire loom on here. And I'm gonna loom these in a separate thingy. I got Tessitate, which is like the best stuff on earth. Ooh. So like, show you what I mean. Tessitate right here. You don't need a lot. And you just wrap it up.
Just show me which way the pilot jet goes, bro. Pretty sure it goes that way, but I want to be safe than sorry.
So I just want to point that out.
So now we got that. Doesn't look horrendous. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it'll get the job done. Now I got this smaller loom. I use the bigger stuff for the other two because I got tape holding it together because it's twisted together because it's can wire. So I guess now I'm just gonna take this ground here, which has to go all the way into the engine bay. And I'm gonna feed it through here.
That's an aftermarket carburetor.
Lower this thing down. I'm gonna feed this wire through this hole.
I'm just gonna send it. Thanks for
And
nothing.
what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull it through to there, and then feed it through the rest of the way. How's the mini bike progress going?
Yeah, it's going good, dude. I have no idea what I'm doing.
They can see you over there.
Hey.
So don't be doing anything weird.
I don't do anything weird.
Yeah. And my name's Kale.
It is. What are you
Yeah.
talking about, dude?
Yeah, Kale and Memphis.
That's a good one.
He loves being called that.
I do. It's my favorite.
He always has loved being called Memphis. You should call the guy out that came up with that
No, I don't want to.
and tell him to F off.
I don't want to give him any glory
Who came up with it?
for our 400 subscribers. Big goal. 400.
400.
So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together, and if it runs like Donkey Dookie Dukes,
Donkey Dookie Dukes.
then I'm going to tear it back apart. But I know she's going to run good. 'Cause that's just the type of confidence I have in
Yeah.
my work.
You got confidence in your work.
Yeah.
What about when you were putting the fuel pump sending unit in?
Oh no, dude. I'm not going to lie. I thought about just quitting everything. Yeah, the Talon, dude, that thing freaking chooched my freaking butter.
It made your feelings hurt.
That buttered sausage.
Buttered sausage.
It fricked me up,
The
dude.
Talon made your feelings hurt.
It did. I was like, why is it doing this?
Why you do it? Why you do it?
Alright. Yeah, so now I'm gonna take this thing outside. Probably rip on her, dude. She's gonna run so good. She's literally gonna run so good. Mark my words.
Just open the garage door and fire it in here.
What?
And then you can just take it out right there.
Yeah, true. The sunlight, it burns my eyes. Whoa, dude. What a freaking race car you have sitting here. What a freaking race car.
I made that thing a race car. I made that thing famous.
Famous?
Yeah, it's kind of famous. Dude, you better watch my rear bumper, dude. Things are rare.
What on the car isn't rare?
Everything I've done to it. It's not rare anymore. Sorry, I should probably be showing you guys. It's a 10-minute video clip. Oof.
All right, guys. So we put the bigger Pilot and then kept the stock Jet in it, and this thing's running really good now. Yeah, dude. Oh, it's running great. Yo, that thing runs good, dude.
Rip this thing, bro.
Dude, yeah. This thing might beat my tires.
What?
Send it.
Dude. She is mean, bro.
Bro,
It is fast.
yeah. I'd say this is perfect. Oh! Did a little freaking action in the gravel there. I think he's coming back around. My unsteady hands. Dude, that thing hauls.
Mama, she gets after it now.
Yeah, she does. Yep. No way. Dude, that thing is friggin' wicked.
Oh, I just burnt the hell out of my
Here, let me on that thing. Frick, dude.
I gotta wrap that whole thing, dude.
You're gonna have to.
Ah.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah.
I'm in with it.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Man, that thing took that fall pretty good though.
Yeah, it did. And the chain didn't pop off. We'll take it, dude.
In audio.